The art of improving daily habit. The quality of our life is not determined by a few grand, pivotal moments, but rather by the sum of our daily habits. That routine, often performed on autopilot, are the silent architect of our long-term health, success, and happiness. Improving them is a journey of self-mastery, one that begins with understanding the coarse machination of habit information. The course routine reward love to build a better life. We must deliberately hack this slope, replacing all negative programming with new, empowering action. The first step is to cultivate self-awareness. Many of our counterproductive habits are triggered unconsciously. Therefore, the goal is to identify the cues, the time, place, preceding action, or emotional state that initiate a bad habit. For instance, if checking social media, the routine is triggered by the moment you sit down on the sofa. The shoes, that moment is where the intervention must begin. Journaling or a simple habit stacking. Sit can bring the hidden juice into the light. Once the juice is identified, the most effective strategy is to start incredibly small. Instead of resolving to read for an hour every day, a task that feels daunting and overwhelming commits to a micro habits, such as read one page after I pour my morning coffee. The concept, often called atomic habits, focuses on making the new action so easy and quick that it's nearly impossible to fail. Success in small does build a central momentum and self-efficacy, making it easier to scale up the habit over time. The key is consistency over intensity, showing up every day. Even if for a tiny win, reinforce the desired neural pathways. Another powerful technique is habit stacking, which leverages exciting strong habits are choose for new one. The formula is after I current habits, I will new habits. For example, after I lock my front door, I will put my key in the dish. Or after I finish dinner, I will immediately load the first three dishes into the dishwasher. By linking the desired behavior to an established use, you reduce the reliance on concealed motivation, allowing the new action to become automatic faster. Similarly, designing your environment is crucial to make the good habit easy. Lay out your running shoes or your meditation cushion to make the bed habits difficult, put your phone in another room while you work. Finally, success hinges on patience and self-compassion. The journey will inevitably involve setback, one missed day in an accident. 2. Is the start of a new habit a bad one? Experts suggest never skipping the new habit 2 days in a row when you inevitably slip up. View it as a learning opportunity, not a failure. Generally, get back on track the very next day by consistently applying the small, science-backed strategy awareness of the shoes. Starting small, habit stacking, and forgiving your mistake, you harness the immense power of routine to gradually but radically reshape your life for the better. Thank you for watching this video. Please have subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.